and welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. As you know, this is a channel for geeks, and so everybody geeks about a lot of different things. You know what I geek about, but I also have my cousin here who also geeks out about a lot of things. Now, if you've seen some of my older videos, you've probably seen a video where I went fishing with my cousin. And if you haven't seen that, I will leave it in the description area below, or I'll leave a card up there. But this is my other cousin. And so what I'm going to be asking her today is, what does she geek about?
Hey, so I'm a pharmacist. I've been a pharmacist for the last 5 years. I work 2 jobs, and it's pretty stressful sometimes. And I thought to myself, hey, like, besides being a pharmacist, how can I have another outlet to release that stress from work? So I wanted to do some crafty, so I started looking around the internet, blogs, YouTubes, and I found, oh, let me make some candles. So I started making candles. Voila. So this is a project I've been doing the last month, hoping that it will expand and get bigger and bigger, selling on Etsy and whatnot. But yeah, that's what I've been geeking out on lately.
And so why do you geek out over that? Because everybody geeks out over different things, that it's just not technology.
So the candles for me is, one, I already like candles, so it's something that I'm already interested in. You guys know that going to the store and buying candles is crazy expensive, so I thought, why not make it for myself? But it really stemmed, I was hosting a baby shower, and I thought, oh, I had all these old jars left from old candles, so I thought, what is a cheap and really efficient way to make some baby shower gifts? So I started making it for a friend's baby shower, and then I was like, oh, this is really fun. And I was like, oh, I can experiment with different smells, different waxes, different colors. And so, and again, it's one of those things, it's like, I don't have to put my pharmacy hat on, I could put my creative hat on, and it's really, really fun to do.
Yeah, and that's probably something that you've probably noticed with me and my family, is that we do love being creative. You know, even if you saw my cousin with the fishing stuff, he's really creative when it comes to that. And also, she's already a pharmacist. And so that means that career-wise, she's doing really well, you know, in terms of a lot of people want to be a doctor or a pharmacist or something like that. And so a lot of times when people think about that, they're still not thinking about the other creative aspects of it. And so in this case, she's still able to do something that's really demanding, requires a lot of effort to get there. But at the same time, she's able to do something creative, and that's something she actually geeks out over. And the best thing is, this is her. You know, this is a representation of who she is, and it's something that she can actually grow over time. Kind of like what I do with my geeky channel. You know, you watch my channel, I talk about a lot of different things. My Linux stuff, my movie stuff, my digital marketing, content creation, but these are all things that are me. And so that's what I geek out over. And whenever I see people, especially like my cousins, doing things like this is awesome. Okay, and so how can people get this if they wanted to get this?
So right now I'm still trying to perfect the craft, but eventually it's going to be part of an Etsy store. My husband, this is his brand right here, Paul's Woodstock. So if you search Etsy, you'll find him. He does a lot of other wood products, but this is a wood veneer sticker on top. And so if you just go to Etsy and type in Paul's Woodstock, that's Paul, P-A-U-L-S, Woodstock, you'll find him there on Etsy. He's also on Instagram. He's on Pinterest. And so, yeah, check it out there. Look forward for that link.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all those links that my cousin just mentioned, and I will leave it down there below. And so that's it for this episode. I just want to share my cousin's own thing that she geeks about, to introduce you to it, and just really show you once again throughout my channel that you could be geek, you could geek out over a lot of different things, have fun doing it, and at the same time actually grow something out of it as well. And so if you actually had any thoughts about anything that we talked about today or anything geeky, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you another episode. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.